If you're in Goa, you should definitely consider staying here. Imagine this view as soon as you get up from your bed. In this video, let me show you guys all the most beautiful beach in South Goa, along with the spots where you can really enjoy the sunset with peaceful environment and crowd. I'm pretty sure you guys won't find much crowd here, so watch till the end. And also the best spot to do kayaking because मुझे काफ़ी मज़े आए यहाँ पे, and my most favorite sunset cafe which I'm in totally love with. Watch till the end to find out. One thing I love about South Goa is its beautiful, beautiful nature. I enjoy North Goa as well, but I feel to just feel the peace and to be with nature, I love coming back to South Goa. Now we are on our way to Agonda Beach. It is one of my favorite beach in Goa, and we just reached and see our view. I mean, this is everything we really wanted. इनिशियली हमने ऑनलाइन बुकिंग किया था तभी ये रूम नहीं थी, बट एज सून एज वी रीच्ड हियर एंड वी सॉ दिस रूम विद दिस स्टनिंग व्यू ऑफ बीच, we definitely exchanged our rooms and we booked this one. We definitely got some discount, but it was totally worth it. Food here is also really good. We ordered some Chinese and I got ready for swim. To be very honest, मैंने जैसी beach देखा, I got like so excited to just jump in and enjoy the waves. I love beach, and this beach is so clear and amazing. I got my swimwear ready to enjoy the waves and be with nature. To be very honest, I was not this confident to wear swimwear on beach in India, but oh my god, I love it here because कुछ भी crowd इधर नहीं है, and you know how people stare when you wear a swimsuit or bikini. I felt so confident and amazing here because कोई था ही नहीं जो stare करे, and I felt so much peace. Also, the maximum crowd here was foreigners, so they never judge or do anything or stare or click your pictures while you're just having fun. So that was the best part, and I felt so good being in this part of Goa. So Agonda is definitely you should consider if you want to just feel free and truly feel nature, because the water is also amazing. I quickly took the shower outside our cottage and I got ready for the stunning sunset. Sun kissed, highlighter kissed, everything kissed.
Yes.
Let's go. कितना सही है ना अगोंडा बीच, मतलब इतना नीट है गाइस, इतना क्लीन, इतना नीट एंड नो इंडियंस, सो बहुत ज़्यादा सही है ये बीच. Room tour So we just have a one bed, one dressing table and one washroom. But the best thing about this cottage is literally this beautiful, stunning, gorgeous view. Also plus point, there was no crowd, so we were like really excited to be just here. मैंने कभी कुछ देखा नहीं है, तो I was so happy because sunsets are something which really calms you down, and I was so happy कि मैं इतना beautiful sunset देख रही थी. Then we got ready and we were heading to Kola Beach. So we booked our cab and got ready. A cab to Kola Beach, and as soon as you reach the location you have to take a jeep. You get like sharing jeep in order to reach the.
कैसा रहा सफ़र? ये वाला नहीं है, ओके वो काफ़ी बेटर था. हम लोग पता नहीं कहाँ है ये, आई गेस यही है, वो नहीं है.
So as soon as the jeep drops you to your location, you have to take big stairs down side of the beach. And I've been to Kola Beach before and I really like this place. I've did kayaking last time when I was here, so I actually knew the place. So as soon as you go downstairs you'll see Kola Beach. The place was not really crowded, so we had a good time over there. We clicked pictures and videos, and the beach was really clean, and I liked Kola Beach. So after having a good time at the beach, you just have to walk for like 10 minutes and you'll see backwaters, which is also called, I guess, Blue Lagoon, and you can do kayaking over there. So it's not at all deep. You don't have to wear life jacket. You can just hop on the boat and go for kayaking. So the prices for the kayak, one boat for 2 people, I guess they charged around 600. But we had to pay 1200 because we were only 3 people, so we requested a guide to sit with us, because as we went, it's 300 per person, which is not that bad. And if you enjoy kayaking, it's really nice. Like, it's not that deep and it's not that far. I guess you can do kayaking for 30 to 40 minutes in 300 rupees, which is a good deal. But there were like a lot of people for kayaking, so it was a bit crowded, so we got like stuck a little bit with the crowd. But it was a good experience, so you can definitely go there. If it's not that crowded, it will be great experience.
हाँ आ रहा है, अच्छा है। हाँ मेरा बस जाते टाइम
After having a great experience in kayaking, we enjoyed a lot. Then we were heading towards the Cape Goa. So I've been to Cape Goa a lot of times and I love this place. It is the perfect place for sundowner. You should definitely not miss this place. After kayaking, we went to this place, the Cape Goa. The Cape Goa is also a hotel, like it's a 5-star hotel. So if you're looking to stay here, you can definitely stay here. It's like worth it. But I have always came to the restaurant. This place is quite expensive. Like, it's not that budget friendly. So definitely check out the menu before going to the place. I really enjoy coming to the Cape Goa because it has the most beautiful ambience ever. To be with the nature first thing in the morning is the best thing you can do with yourself, because you just feel so peaceful and amazing. So after having a good time with the beach, we decided to get ready because we wanted to head towards Butterfly Beach around 8-9 a.m. as our boat was going to arrive. So we quickly got ready. So the resort we were staying in, we got contacts for Butterfly Beach from them itself. So the boat was going to take us to Butterfly Beach. It was around 15 minutes from Agonda Beach. So they took around 3,000 for that boat ride. So they promised us that they'll show us the Butterfly Beach and also the dolphins over there. So we were excited about that and to see other beach as well.
हाँ ब्रो ये देख ना कैसे कछुआ लग रहा है पूरा
2 माउंटेन का
एक पंख हो गया 8,000 है पूरा हो गया जैसे कि ऐसे ये है उसका
विंग्स है ये 2
ध्यान से देखो अभी ये एक पंख हो गया
हाँ
एयर इंडिया की भी है 5,000
It was really very sunny. Also, we were getting so much motion sickness, but it was only 15 to 20 minutes. So there is nothing to worry about. Also, you can reach Butterfly Beach by other route, which is, I guess, by trekking. But we were very close from Agonda Beach, so we took a boat ride. The Butterfly Beach is like really very small, but it has really amazing and clean water. But the time we visited, we got like so much crowd, so it was not that peaceful. But the beauty of the nature is amazing there because it's such a clean water. So you'll definitely enjoy this place. But I guess by going trekking will be more fun because the boat ride was around 3,000 and I don't think it was that worth it to spend so much. So you can always go for trekking part if you get chance. That will be better than this.
Oh my god, I'm loving my skin.
After having a really good time at Butterfly Beach, also the boat person promised us to show dolphins, but we really didn't see any dolphins at all. So I'm not sure if you really get to see it. Few people have seen it, but we didn't get chance to see them. After that we got ready, and at this point we were really very hungry. So the second stop we decided to go to somewhere where we can eat and chill for a while. So I've heard of this place called The Mills, which was near from our resort. So we decided to book a cab to that place. I was really very excited to go to this place because South Goa में ज़्यादा cafes नहीं है, and this was pretty near to us. So I was excited that I'll have a really good time over there. As soon as we enter this place, the ambience was really nice. It's a really pretty aesthetic place to chill, and it was a little bit crowded, but we got place within like 5 minutes.
कैसे लगा ये बर्गर का एस्थेटिक है ना, एंड पूजा को लगता है क्या ये गाँव का घर है, ये उसको मॉडिफाइड किया है उन लोगों ने। और कौन सा मेंशन कर, ये कौन सा है?
आयरिश कॉफी
टेल मी हाउ इज इट? नाइस,
इट्स गुड
दिस वन इज, ये कौन सा है? ये कौन सा है? Oh my god, it is strong. Let me taste the Irish. This one is yummy.
ये ब्राउन शुगर है ना
And the best one is here. पर ये ब्रो ये डलगोना दिख रहा है पूरा. Hi.
वो देख नीचे आ रहा है.
नीचे जा रहे
नीचे आ रहा है. रुक. अरे बहन इधर.
कोरोना फ्लैशबैक. Let's taste. Coffee whipped.
बहुत रिच है.
Hello. Honest review. Skip या no? Skip या अच्छा. मुझे अच्छा लगा ये प्लेस.
Place is good. Interior and everything is good. But food.
We expected a lot.
इससे अच्छा मुंबई का लाइक वड़ा पाव इज वेरी बेटर. मतलब इतना फ्लेवर है उसमें. इसमें पता नहीं क्या था.
Actually.
Even coffee is not that good.
And
Like
this
let's
place is actually very popular, and
Yeah.
that's why I had like high expectations. But तेरे को क्या बोलना है? एक word for this place.
still उसने खाया.
Process नहीं कर पा रही है वो कि किधर आए अपन.
So the final review of this place is you can easily skip it. I didn't really like it. The food was not that tasty. It's surely an aesthetic place, but I feel you can go to other places which will serve better food and better service. I was not really happy with this place, so if you're planning to go here, you can definitely skip this place. After coming from the cafe, we were really very tired because of the early morning adventure we did. At night, we decided to take a massage and really have a relaxing time. Right now, we are having breakfast in this restaurant of Serenity Resort, which is in South Goa in Agonda Beach itself. And this place, especially this restaurant, is really amazing because we remember we're coming back to this place for lunch, for dinner, for breakfast, everything, because the food here is really good. Also, it is quite affordable. So we had our breakfast here and it was really tasty, and we were just planning on what to do next. We also came across really cute dogs, and the view of this resort and restaurant is quite amazing as well. It was just beside, like 5 minutes from our resort. सनसेट तो बहुत एंजॉय किया. उसके बाद वी चेंज्ड एंड वी डिसाइडेड टू जस्ट एंजॉय द लोकल मार्केट जो हमारी स्टे के आजू बाजू में था.